Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is irregular verbs. For example, go, went, gone. For all levels. Number 1. This is from the verb to sing a song. But it's last night. So what do you think the answer is? If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Sang. Jennifer sang well last night. To sing a song. Sing, sang, sung. Number 2 is eat, ate, eaten. What's the right answer here? Careful, Bob didn't. Bob didn't eat much food yesterday. Because of didn't, we say eat. To eat something. Eat, ate, eaten. This one is for clothing. Jennifer, a jacket yesterday. The basic form is to wear something. She wore a jacket yesterday. To wear something for clothing. Wear, wore, worn. Let's try some present perfect. Bob has, and the K is silent. Bob has known him. So him is another person for a long time. SS means somebody, a person, or something. To know somebody, to know something. Know, knew, known. What's this one? It has 3 letters, and I'll show you now with my hand. To hit something. Let's practice the first one. In baseball, please repeat. Bob hits the ball every day. He hit the ball yesterday. And the third one with present perfect. He has hit the ball many times today. What's this motion, also in sports, with a ball? Throw, threw, thrown. To throw something. Bob's dog, a big hole in the garden yesterday with its paws, like that. To dig a hole somewhere. Dig, dug, dug. What's this one? To shake. To shake something. Shake, shook, shaken. This one is in a race when you are in front. To lead the race. Lead, led, led. This one has 2 meanings. One is to say very bad words, and one is kind of to promise. To swear. Swear, swore, sworn. Bye-bye.